potential. You want to be helpful? Get me out!
Stop! Stop! What? Stop! What? Think of all those men out there in their uniforms, barking and swallowing orders, inflicting their petty rule over the entire globe.
It's like a music video. What are you doing to it? Stop it. It's freaking me out. Cut it out. What's going on? I have a problem here. Yeah. Fire.
Take care.
But now, I can reveal my true self. The power of the Watch and your DNA. I will be unstoppable.
You want to be human? Then share their weakness. Suffer their humiliation.
And I thought we were close. So nice to finally meet you. Face to face.
No more apples in the vending machine, please.
I'm Charles Foster Kane, now in complete control of the government of this state. I made no campaign promises.
Do this to me? I'm Charles Montgomery Burns.